If you've ever wondered if you can set up Thinkorswim for single screen laptop trading, I want to show you how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is click on charts and set up your template. So I use flexible grid. You have your choice of charts or flexible grid, and I have this one set to flexible. We'll click on this menu here and click on customize grid. At this point, you want to set it up where you have 3 at the top and 2 at the bottom. And once you get that complete, you close out your customized grid and you'll see that'll toggle off. And you can rename it if you want to. I've named mine my main trading screen, and I use this as a template. And for another video, I'll show you how to make multiple screens and a 4-screen plus workspace. But for now, we'll just concentrate on a single screen. So we'll click out of that. Now, once you've done that, you can set up your reference and link these. I always have 1 at the top on every one of these. And then I always have 8, which is second to bottom here, and lilac, which is bottom on the drop down here. And then you can adjust this so that it's how you want it. I'll put it roughly in the middle. So this one I have set up already prior to this video, and this one I'm going to walk you through how we can make it look just like this one, and I'll show you how I actually use it in executions. So once we have our 5 windows loaded, we're going to go over to trade, and we're going to load, right click, go down to brown. We're going to load that on our bottom left, and for training purposes, we're going to put lilac. We're going to put that same strike on lilac. So now let's go back to charts. Now we've got this loaded. You can see it here. This is the 377 puts and 377 puts. So moving on. So let's say we have this set up. I have my buy market, my sell market, buy on the ask, and sell on the bid. If I was actually in a position this flattened wouldn't be grayed out, it'd be solid black. And of course I have auto send on. So the first few times that you set this up, have your auto send clicked off. And once you get comfortable, make sure that you click that back on. The whole point of this is to treat it more like hotkeys. So having to confirm, you're going to miss your entry. That you need it to move as quickly as it can through the system. So auto send needs to be on. So let's set up this right side. Active trader. And we're going to hit the gear. So first line, buy market, sell market, always at the top. Cancel, we're going to move down. Second line. Reverse, move down. Flatten, we're going to leave right there. And then we're going to, over here, we're going to add buy on the ask. And click on it. We're going to move it up. And I use this one as my template, buy ask. Okay, and then over here, we're going to sell on the bid. Add item. Move up. Auto send. And quantity with buttons. It looks like, let's put this one down one more. Let's put it down and hit OK. So then we'll drop this. And let's slide this over to give ourselves more room. So you can see there's 4 basic areas here. I put notes here because if you don't, look how your level 2 stretches out. You have to, and it doesn't seem like that big of a deal, but if you've ever been in a trade, you know that having to look 4 inches adds a little more stress. So these are just a little bit tighter together. So that's why I use the news column for that. Okay. Now we're ready to go.